Welcome back to another episode of amazing and skillful workers that are on a whole other level. These workers are so talented and fast, you almost won't believe they're human. So sit back, subscribe, and let's get started. When your log rolling skills come in hand at your job. There's no problem a bit of ingenuity and creativity won't solve. Either these things weigh nothing, or this lad is Superman. Where there's a will, there's a way. These guys save a lot of money by using a little bit of physics. No, it's not a hovercraft, but a sanding machine to give concrete surfaces a flat finish. This construction crew is synced like a clock. There's nothing they can't move as one. This worker is nailing it every single time. Construction workers are just big kids with jobs. When you're creative, every job becomes easier and fun. At the speed he's going, this guy will be done with his job in just minutes. These workers employ their creativity to develop solutions that improve workflow. Witness the power of teamwork as these construction crews come together to overcome challenges. Watch this crane create a pathway as it goes on. Smooth as silk. Watch that plaster go up. My question is, how did this guy learn to do these tricks with a forklift? Who needs fancy equipment when a bit of ingenuity can get the job done just as well? Why work hard when you can work smart and save yourself time and effort? Do you think this guy is training for a strongman competition? Can any tell me where this guy got these shoes from? He doesn't even leave a mark on the floors after he's painted it. Who needs to hit the gym when you work in construction? Am I right? All waterfalls are mesmerizing, even if they're made from concrete. It's seriously impressive how this operator is able to control these giant claws with the precision of a surgeon. This bulldozer scoops up mud just like someone rolling up a carpet. I thought you needed a compass to make a perfect circle. This guy does it with just a spatula. Personal safety? This painter has never heard of it. Either that, or he's the best guy for the job. If removing old roofing was a sport, these guys would be the champions of it. Witness the precision and care this worker takes in perfecting the concrete, ensuring a smooth and even finish. Now this is what I call going above and beyond. Why cut it before installing when you can make you're so skilled that you can do it afterwards? The artistry and flexibility of this welder's seamless joins is truly remarkable. Not a single movement wasted. All the holes just vanish. Check out the precision as this worker cuts through stone, creating perfectly shaped pieces that will become the foundation of a stunning structure. This construction worker has made a clever tool out of old soda cans to give a concrete rails a smooth finish. The flicks of wrist of this guru create delicate wooden patterns on any surface. This guy is a one-man construction crew. I just hope he gets paid like one too. See the transformation unfold as construction workers use their skills to showcase the power of human ingenuity and teamwork. That is as smooth as it gets. This worker applies their skills with precision, creating flawless a finish. This guy has an amazing trick to make sure he doesn't ruin the concrete he's already leveled. What magic is this? How does hitting wet concrete with something over and over make it so smooth? See the artistry of construction in action as this skilled worker uses their expertise to craft something that is not only strong, but also aesthetically pleasing. If construction doesn't work out, this guy can always become a professional footballer. This painter removes paint and other contaminants from a door with minimal mess and environmental impact. If it looks crazy, but it works, it's not crazy, but genius. These workers save time and effort with their sharp wits. Ever looked at construction workers and wondered why they aren't physicists? You can't say this guy is not dedicated to his job. Look at the risk he takes to build scaffolds. One goes up and the other comes down. Be amazed by the skillfulness of this prose as she crafts perfection. Gaze the precise placement of these tiles as this worker creates such a realistic illusion. I always thought road markings were done with machines. Guess this guy proved me wrong. The way this crane cuts down a tree is like it's taking apart a massive Lego structure. How long do you have to train for to achieve skills like these? Notice the exact alignment of this bricklayer's work. Get ready to witness some serious talent. These guys are repairing a crosswalk in the middle of traffic. Just like a baker needs dough, this artisan spreads mortar on the floor to install tiles. Using a stencil, this worker carves beautiful designs on the concrete. Lost your spatula? Don't worry, this guy shows you how to put plaster on walls without it. Get ready to be amazed as this guy showcases his incredible skills in action. Roofing requires balance, precision, and speed. And this guy has it all as he expertly lays shingles, ensuring a waterproof barrier that will protect the home below. The expertise of this demolition engineer ensures minimal damage to the road and the manholes. Is this man an artist or a construction worker? The way he creates these steps is simply perfect. Watch the magic unfold as this crew expertly lays tile, each piece fitting perfectly into place to create a stunning mosaic floor. Ever wondered how concrete pavers manage to look so random and yet to fit perfectly together like pieces of a puzzle? It's quite simple, actually. The expert maneuvering by this forklift operator is truly spectacular. Who needs giant machines when this guy can do the job better than one? This guy knows show to get his work done and have a good time. Epoxy artistry at its finest. Watch these women create an entire beach on a tabletop. The dedication of these road workers is commendable. Watch on as they fix cracked roads with perfection. Explore the beauty of construction as this artisan shapes concrete structures into works of art. Watch this mason meticulously create intricate patterns with just a foam roller. While most women are scared of ruining their nails, this woman isn't afraid to get her hands dirty. Each movement of this guy's tool is an artist's brushstroke. We bet you didn't know demolition required such precision. If speed roofing was an Olympic sport, this guy would win the gold. This carpenter's precise joinery lets him create intricate fittings in a really short time frame. How do you think these guys came up with this idea? That roofing job is a masterpiece of efficiency and proficiency. How much would charge to do a job like this? I bet you've never seen a construction worker brave enough to risk his personal safety like this. Discover the beauty of construction as this skilled artist shapes concrete into something that's out of this world. The way this giant roller shapes a canal is pure ASMR. Check out this worker's secret trick that lets him fix old flooring so seamlessly. After watching, I wonder if tools make our jobs easier or entirely possible. Craftsmanship and construction combined can create some truly astonishing works of art. This floor isn't made of wood, but concrete. You don't need to unload gravel from the train when you can just take it straight to where it needs to go. By my estimation, it will take these guys 2 days to paint this massive ship all by themselves. Did you know you could use your measuring tape to cut panels of drywall as well? Feel the satisfaction as these brick panels fit together like pieces of puzzle, completely transforming the wall. If you've ever wondered how drones help in construction sites, watch this. Pouring concrete is an art form in itself, and this crew's skill ensures a flawless finish, creating a foundation that is both strong and beautiful. Look at the teamwork and effort it takes to create this giant dome-like structure. After watching this, you'll realize you don't need to buy expensive equipment to get the job done properly. Would you ever take such a risk? All I know is he must be paid well if he's willing to do this. These concrete slabs use hollow plastic balls to reduce the weight and cost of the slab, while maintaining its structural integrity. The way this guy applies mortar to this wall is like he's painting it. Watch as this worker turns raw materials into a stunning staircase, each step perfectly aligned and smooth, ready to support countless footsteps. Seam? What seam? This wallpaper hack will make sure there are no creases in your wallpaper ever again. Recycled plastic are the solutions for sustainable construction. They promote eco-friendly and sustainable practices in the construction industry. I never knew you could build a house like this. This guy must be fireproof. Just look at the way he pours this hot tar without any protective gear. Look on in awe at the craftsmanship of this stair builder as they create elegant staircases that are both functional and beautiful. This wire tool slices bricks out of concrete like a knife slices a cake. It looks like this guy is building a fun puzzle game.